Welcome back. 18 police officers from the Mumbai Police have been transferred as per the latest notification issued on the 16th of October. As per a report by opindia.com, Nandkumar Thakur, the officer who was investigating the TRP scam, has also been transferred. opindia.com has reported that this DCP had allegedly informally informed reporters that there is no case against Republic TV. Niranjan is joining us from the Mumbai newsroom for more on this.
Thank you for that, Amita. In fact, I have the article here open. This is the opindia.com article. The article, says, and I quote, that's the headline, that the DCP investigating the Republic TV in TRP scam has been transferred to the traffic police. But the story may not be as simple. Here is what we know. In fact, there are quotes of what the article says, and I'm going to read out from this. This is the article as Op India has reported it. In fact, I'm just quoting from the report. The report says, talks about in great detail what may have happened. Now, this is the copy of the transfer order where, several officers in Mumbai were transferred. This is already in the public domain. But very interesting, and I have the graphics of this. I'll just play out the graphics and read over it. The article says what we know about the theatre of Absurd that played out, leading to the transfer of DCP Nandkumar Thakur. The report says, and I quote, according to a journalist source who was a first-hand witness on the 15th of October, DCP Nandkumar Thakur was holding an informal briefing with some journalists at the police headquarters. During the informal meeting, he allegedly told journalists present that Republic TV was not an accused per se in the TRP scam and that no incriminating evidence had been found against them. Within 24 hours of that revelation, Thakur was unceremoniously shunted out from the crime branch. Thakur had been posted at the crime branch just recently and was part of the team that was investigating the charge of TRP manipulation that Parambir Singh had accused Republic with. In fact, the article goes on to even quote a reporter who was present. Nupur Sharma of Op India is joining us. In fact, Nupur, let me come across to you and ask you about what this reporter who was present at that meeting had to say. Describes in great detail about what happened at that informal meeting with the DCP who has now been transferred. Nupur?
So the information that I got was that on the 15th, there was an informal interaction between then DCP of Crime Branch, DCP Nandkumar Thakur, and certain people, certain journalists from the print media, about maybe 8 to 10 journalists. And during that informal interaction, Mr. Thakur had said that there is basically no incriminating evidence against Republic, and that Republic is hardly an accused in the TRP scam. Now, the reporters were, of course, as you would imagine, a lot of them wanted to report the story. However, Mr. Nandkumar was then called away, and I believe to the commissioner's office. That's what the report told me. And by the time the reporters, saw Mr. Nandkumar leave, the reporters were then told by another officer that everything that he said was to be disregarded and not reported. By the time the journalists went back, at least this one reporter who spoke to me told me that their editors were also told by that time that this information was not to be reported and anything that he said was to be disregarded. When I spoke to Mr. Thakur, who has now been transferred within 24 hours of that meeting, by the way, he was transferred from being DCP of Crime Branch to being DCP of Traffic Police. Now, when I spoke to Mr. Thakur, he of course denied it. He said that there was no such meeting held and he had not given any such information to the reporters. He also said that his transfer was not because of anything related to the TRP scam. But it is important to note that Mr. Thakur has been transferred to traffic from Crime Branch in a span of less than 6 months. So in June, there was a rather interesting battle that had broken out between NCP and Shiv Sena, where Mr. Parambir Singh had transferred 10 DCPs to different departments. That order was at that time cancelled and struck down by Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. And then it was later reinstated by the Home Minister of Maharashtra, who's from NCP. And most of the names in that notification at that time, which ratified the transfers, were the same of the initial order. It was according to that order that Mr. Thakur had become the DCP of Crime Branch. And he was handling the investigation not just of Republic TV and the TRP scam, which had initially, all throughout, in fact, named India Today and not Republic TV, but he was also handling another high-profile case of that fake likes on social media, where the singer Badshah was also interrogated by him. So it is a little strange that in a short span of 6 months, after Mr. Parambir Singh specifically got Mr. Thakur to be the DCP of Crime Branch, that he was unceremoniously, within 24 hours of this alleged meeting, he was transferred to become the DCP of Traffic. So it is, of course, questionable. While my source has confirmed that this meeting did take place and this conversation did happen, Mr. Thakur has of course, denied that any such meeting took place.
Well, the DCP is, denying it on record as per your report, and you spoke to him yourself, Nupur. I just want to quote, and I just want to quote what the reporters in that meeting have told Op India. I'm going to quote from your report. I'll play out the graphics of that. I just want to read over it so that, we show all our viewers who are watching this can see what Op India has reported. And I have one more question for you, Nupur. I'll just play out the quotes of what the reporters have said. As per the Op India report, it quotes reporters as saying, he was talking to all of us, and this is an informal meeting that opindia.com has quoted. He was talking to all of us in his office at the Mumbai Police headquarters, said a reporter who was present at the Thursday, October 15 informal briefing. It was as if he had dropped a bomb in the room. There were 8 to 10 reporters there, and for a few seconds after he spoke, there was a pin drop silence. And then there was an uproar. We asked him again, and he confirmed a second time. Republic is not an accused in the TRP scam. After this stunning revelation by Thakur that was allegedly made during this press briefing, the fact that he had somewhat exonerated Republic TV in front of the reporters reached the ears of the commissioner, and then the process of his shunting began. The reporters were allegedly told by some officers that none of what was said by Mr. Thakur was true or reportable. The reporter in the know also said that the editors of their respective publications were also informed to not report the story. One last question, Nupur. Isn't it strange, now going as per your report and what we know about the officer is brought into the crime branch a few months back. I'm not sure if it's June or July, you'll know the timeline. June or July, he's brought into the crime branch, is involved in a high-profile case which was the front page news in all leading publications. You spoke about the fake followers case. And then this officer, as per your report, meets reporters, tells them about Republic, that Republic is not accused in the case, and then is reportedly shunted out. And this officer on record tells you that he asked for the transfer to the traffic department. It's unusual.
It's quite unusual. Because, logic dictates that any person who's been, because DCP of Crime Branch is an extremely coveted position. So logic dictates that anybody who has been elevated to be the DCP of Crime Branch and is handling such high-profile cases, whether it's the TRP case or even the case where singer Badshah was interrogated and he allegedly, according to Mr. Nankumar, he actually confessed to purchasing followers and likes and views, etc. It is very unusual for a senior police officer to request to be transferred to the traffic department from being the DCP of Crime Branch, especially when he's involved in the investigation of such high-profile cases. I would only imagine, just like for reporters, it's a dream to break a huge scam, or dream to unearth some sort of a mega story that can shake the establishment. For any police officer, I think, investigating high-profile cases would be a coveted thing and especially when the transfer will happen so unceremoniously right in the middle of this investigation, it does raise a lot of red flags. And For me personally, it's a little difficult to believe that the transfer simply happened in the course of, normal operations. Given the fact that he was involved in investigating two extremely high-profile cases.
Very unusual, Nupur. Thank you for speaking to Republic TV. And let me just conclude by saying that it's a very interesting article on opindia.com. This is a report on opindia.com that says DCP investigating Republic TV in TRP scam transfer to traffic police. But the story may not be as simple. Here is what we know. That's the article. You can read it for yourself. Very interesting. Thank you, Nupur, for joining us. Back to you in the studios.